I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your account on Acorns, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Download the Acorns app. Start by downloading the Acorns app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your email and password to log into your Acorns account. Make sure you have access to the email you use, as you may need it for verification. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Account. This is where you can manage your account settings and verification process. Step 4. Start the verification process. In the Account section, look for the Verify Account option. Tap on it and follow the prompts, which may include uploading identification documents like your driver's license. Step 5. Confirm verification. Before starting recovery, use the .com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Verifying your account on Acorns is straightforward, and following these steps should make the process smooth. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team. Happy investing!